Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can sign up for Bard. Now Bard is similar to ChatGPT, but it was created by Google, alright? So let me show you how you guys can create an account in it so you guys can use it. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Google Bard on your search engine. After you search for Google Bard just like this, it's going to show you multiple options. From this, choose the first option. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Once you're in this page over here, whichever Google account you're currently logged in right now on your browser, that is going to be displayed. If you want to change it, make sure you log in into another Google account if you want to use your another Google account. So in order to create an account in Bard, you need to link your Google accounts, alright? So first you want to choose which Google account you want to use. You can do that by clicking on the profile picture over here, but I already have the Google account I want, so I don't want to change it. What you want to do after that is click on Try Bard. Once you click on Try Bard, first you want to verify you're a human. Once you get the tick mark, it's going to take you to the next step. After this, basically a message is going to be sent to Google that we want to try Bard, and after like 24 hours you will be given the permission to use Google Bard. You will get the email, so whichever Google you're logged in into right now, that Google is going to receive an email. Once you receive the email, you can go to googlebard.com and start using Google just like this. Let me show you. As you guys can see, my Google account got the permission, so that's why when I come to bard.google.com, I can use it. But if you don't have the permission, it's not going to bring you over here. But within 24 hours, you should receive the permission to use Google Bard, alright? So yeah, that's how you guys can sign up into Google Bard. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.